What do pour in, boil over, or throw in have in common? They're all food phrasal verbs. So let's learn how to make porridge and use these phrasal verbs. Step number one, add water in the pot. To say that, you can say pour in. For example, pour in some water to start with. Or you can say fill up. For example, fill up the pot with water. Step number two, bring water to the boil. To say that, you can say heat up. For example, heat up the water until it boils. Or use boil over. It's more like a caution that you give to the other person. Be careful, the water might boil over. Step number three, pour the porridge in the pot. To say that, you can use put in. For example, put in the porridge once the water is boiling. Or tip in. Quite interesting, right? Tip in the porridge slowly. The next step is add a teaspoon of salt. To say that, you can say throw in. For example, throw in a pinch of salt. Or you can say sprinkle on, as in sprinkle on some salt if you like. And finally, the last step is stir with the spoon. To say that, use stir in. Focus on the pronunciation. Stir in joins together and becomes stir in. Example, stir in the porridge to stop lumps forming. Or simply mix up. The last step. Mix up everything well. And that's how your porridge is ready. And by the way, for the teachers watching, this is how you contextualize English using a real life situation.